Hello, friends. My name is Bo. What's your name? Hi. Thank you for joining me today. We are going to learn some polite phrases today. Why does someone need to be polite? That's right. It's important to be kind to each other. It makes everyone happy. I have someone joining us today to help us learn polite phrases. Timmy! This is Timmy the turtle. Hello, Timmy. Hello. Can you say hello to our friends who are watching? Hi, friends. Yay! So today, Timmy will help us with the polite phrases. Timmy, when someone comes up to you and they say, "Hi," what do you say to them? That's right. You also say, "Hi." Hi. You can say, "Hello." When you say hi or hello, make sure you smile and you can wave your hand back and forth. Can you say hello with me? Ready? Hello. Nice job. When you ask someone for something, you should always say, "Please." Can you try saying the word please with me? Ready? Please. Look, he is on the swing. And Timmy wants to try the swing. So Timmy, how can you ask politely if you can try the swing? Can I try the swing, please? That's right. You can say please to sound really polite and kind. And after Timmy goes on the swing, Timmy will say, "Thank you. Thank you." Can you say the words thank you with me? Thank you. Now, why is thank you so important? That's right, because you are telling your friend how much you appreciate them. Appreciate means that you are so happy to be their friend. Let's say thank you again. Ready? Thank you. Great job. And after someone says thank you, you should say, "You're welcome." Can you say that with me? Ready? You're welcome. You're welcome comes after saying thank you. Oops. I'm so sorry. I'm sorry that I bumped into you. Have you heard of I'm sorry. I'm sorry means my apologies or my mistake. Can you say I'm sorry with me? Ready? I'm sorry. I'm sorry. This one is really important. I said I'm sorry after I accidentally bumped into Timmy. I'm sorry. After I say I'm sorry, what should Timmy say afterwards? Yes, Timmy will say, "It's okay. It's okay." Can you try that with me? Ready? It's okay. It's okay. When you say it's okay, make sure you say it with a smile. It's okay. Great job. We learned so much today about polite phrases. Always be kind and smile to your friends. I loved learning with you today. Always smile and be kind to your friends. I will see you next time. Bye.